Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk.
Hey, Lisa. Hi, everyone. It smells amazing in here. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, yes, it does. We're in a warm, cozy coffee shop today. Perfect place to learn real English.
I already feel smarter and more awake. Ha ha ha.
That's the power of coffee, Jake. It helps the brain and the mood.
True, and also it helps my English when I talk to you.
Oh, that's sweet, okay. So let's start from the moment you walk into a cafe. What's the first thing you do?
I guess I smile awkwardly and try to look confident. Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha. That's a good start, but also say a friendly greeting like, hi there, or good morning.
Oh, okay. Hi there sounds cool, casual, but polite.
Colon. Exactly then the barista might say, what can I get for you today?
And I panic. Ha ha ha.
Don't worry, you can answer with, I'd like a cappuccino, please, or can I get a latte, please?
So polite words plus a smile, that's the secret.
Exactly, and if you want to sound more natural, you can add please and thank you every time.
I can do that. Hi, I'd like a caramel latte, please, thank you, sounds friendly.
Colon perfect, that's exactly how native speakers do it.
Nice, and when they ask, for here or to go, I always freeze.
Colon ha 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 ha, it just means are you staying or taking away?
Oh, so if I want to sit, I say, for here, please.
Right, and if you're leaving, say to go please, easy.
Okay, I can handle that now.
Great, and then comes size, do you know the sizes?
Oh, yes, that's confusing, tall, grande, venti, what does that even mean? Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha, it's just fancy talk for small, medium, large, so don't panic.
Oh, thank goodness I always pretended I understood.
You're not alone, many people do, ha ha ha.
So I can say, can I get a medium cappuccino, please? Or a grande latte, if that's the name.
Exactly, both are fine. Now let's add details like with soy milk or without sugar.
So, can I get a medium cappuccino with soy milk, please?
Perfect.
I'm feeling like a professional coffee orderer. Ha ha ha.
You are doing great, but now imagine the order is wrong.
Oh no, they give me black coffee instead of cappuccino. What do I do?
Stay calm and polite, say, excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered a cappuccino, not black coffee.
Oh, that sounds nice, not rude.
Yes, always start with excuse me or sorry, keeps it friendly.
So I can say, excuse me, sorry, I think this isn't my order.
Perfect English. Okay, what if my drink is too hot? You can say, sorry, this is a bit too hot. Could I have some ice, please? Or could you remake it, please?
I like that, and I learned that could is softer than can, right?
Exactly, could you help me sounds more polite than can you help me?
Got it, I'll use could next time.
Good, and if the shop is crowded, you might need to ask for a seat.
Oh yes. Is this seat taken? Right.
Colon exactly, or do you mind if I sit here? Both polite.
Okay. And if someone asks me, I say, no, go ahead, or sorry, it's taken.
Perfect polite answers always keep conversations smooth.
Cool. Now I'm sitting down with my drink, time to enjoy life. Ha 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 ha.
Colon ha 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 yes, or time to make small talk.
Oh yes, that's difficult. What do I say?
Simple things like, the coffee here is really good, or it's so busy today.
Oh, I can do that. And if I want to ask something, I can say, what are you having?
Exactly, and that's friendly.
Nice, but if I say, do you come here often, will it sound weird? Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha. It's fine, it just means, do you like this place?
Okay, good. I won't sound like I'm in a movie then. Ha ha ha.
You'll sound natural now. Let's talk coffee words.
My favorite part, vocabulary time. Ha ha ha.
Colon brew means to make coffee or tea, so freshly brewed coffee means coffee made right now.
Brew. I like that word. It sounds serious. Ha 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 ha.
Colon, ha 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 ha, yes. Next shot means a small strong portion like one espresso shot.
Oh, so double shot means stronger coffee.
Colon exactly, foam means the frothy milk on top of cappuccino.
My favorite part, ha ha ha.
Colon ha 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 yes, and syrup means flavored sweet liquid like caramel or vanilla.
So I can say, can I have caramel syrup, please?
Colon perfect pronunciation time.
Oh, my weak point, ha ha ha.
The word latte is latte, not late.
L-A-H-T-A-Y, got it, and espresso, not espresso, right.
Colon exactly, and mocha sounds like mohk.
Semicolon M-O-H-K, I feel fancy now, ha ha ha.
You sound like a real barista.
Ha ha ha. Thanks, okay, let's role play.
Sure, you're the customer, I'm the barista.
Okay, go.
Colon. Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium mocha, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Any sugar?
No sugar, please. But can you add caramel syrup?
Sure, anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Great total is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Amazing, Jake, that was perfect.
Ha ha ha, I'm getting better every episode.
You really are, and your pronunciation was clear.
Yay.
Now let's learn a few fun expressions about coffee.
Oh, I love idioms.
Okay, one popular idiom is wake up and smell the coffee.
Oh, what does that mean?
It means be realistic or accept the truth. For example, you can't sleep all day, wake up and smell the coffee.
Ha 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 ha, that's funny and easy to remember.
Another one is coffee break, meaning a short rest, usually at work.
So, let's take a coffee break means let's rest for a few minutes.
Colon exactly, and grab a coffee means go for coffee with someone.
Oh, so if I say let's grab a coffee, I'm inviting someone.
Yes, in a friendly way.
Cool. I'll use that with my friends.
And one more expression. That's not my cup of tea means I don't like it.
Wait, that's tea, not coffee, ha 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 ha.
Colon ha 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 true, but people use it anyway for any situation.
Like, jazz music is not my cup of tea.
Exactly, good example.
English people really love their drinks, ha 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 ha.
They do, and now you're sounding like one.
Yay, ha ha ha.
Let's also practice asking for extras.
Extras like what?
Like napkins, sugar, or Wi-Fi, you can say, "Excuse me, could I get some napkins, please?"
Oh, easy, I like that, and if I want Wi-Fi?
Ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi here?" Or, "Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please?"
Nice and for restroom.
Just say, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?" Polite and simple.
I'll remember that I used to just point ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha. Yes, words are better, Jake.
Definitely.
Another polite phrase you can use when waiting is, "Take your time, I'm not in a hurry."
Oh, that sounds kind, I like it.
People really appreciate that tone.
Good tip, Lisa.
Now let's talk about flavor vocabulary, like bitter, sweet, creamy, strong, mild.
Okay, bitter means not sweet, right?
Correct, and creamy means with milk, smooth taste.
So strong coffee means more caffeine, and mild means light.
Exactly, you got it.
I'm ready to be a coffee expert. Ha ha ha.
You already are one in English.
Ha ha ha. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, and remember, pronunciation matters more than speed.
Write slow, clear speech.
Yes, it makes everything easier to understand.
Okay, I'll keep practicing.
That's the spirit. Now let's move to one more fun scene. Imagine you spill coffee on yourself.
Oh no, my worst nightmare. Ha ha ha.
Colon ha ha ha. Yes, but stay calm and say, "Oh no, I spilled my coffee. Could I get a napkin, please?"
That sounds polite and calm.
Exactly. And if it spills on someone else, you say, "I'm so sorry, are you okay?" Or "Let me help you."
Oh, good manners even in disaster. Ha ha ha.
Oh, that's how you stay cool in any situation.
You're teaching me English and social skills both. Ha 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 ha.
Colon ha ha ha. That's my job.
I like it. You know, Lisa, I noticed that coffee shops have their own little language too.
What do you mean?
Like when people say, "I'll have a tall latte," or "make it skinny." I had no idea what that meant at first.
Colon ha 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 ha. Yes, coffee language is real. Tall actually means small in some cafes, and skinny means made with low-fat milk.
That's so weird. Tall means small. Who decided that?
Probably the same people who decided that venti means 20 in Italian, ha ha ha.
So if I walk into a fancy cafe and say, I want a venti caramel latte with oat milk, I'll sound professional, right?
Exactly. And if you smile confidently, the barista will think you're a regular.
I love that maybe I'll even pretend to type something serious on my laptop, ha ha ha.
Perfect acting, just make sure your laptop is actually on.
Touché, ha ha ha. By the way, Lisa, what's the polite way to ask for Wi-Fi in a coffee shop?
Good question, you can say, excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi here? Or could I get the Wi-Fi password, please?
Easy enough sometimes I hear people say, what's the Wi-Fi that sounds a bit too direct, right?
Yes, it's okay with friends, but with staff it's better to add please or excuse me that sounds polite and friendly.
Got it, so, excuse me, could I have the Wi-Fi password, please? Sounds perfect.
Exactly, clear, polite, and natural.
Cool, next time I'll try that, maybe while ordering another muffin, ha ha ha.
Jake, you really like muffins, don't you?
They're my weakness. I swear muffins and coffee are like best friends.
That's true, coffee and muffins go together like peanut butter and jelly.
Or like English learners and everyday English talk, ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha, nice one, we should put that on a mug.
I'd totally buy that.
Speaking of mugs, do you know the difference between a cup and a mug?
A cup is smaller, right, and usually for tea.
Yes, exactly. Mugs are bigger, thicker, and usually for coffee or hot chocolate.
So if I say a cup of coffee, it's okay, but a mug of coffee sounds cozier.
Perfect explanation. A mug gives the image of something warm and homey.
Like rainy weather window open and a mug of hot coffee.
Exactly, that's why coffee shops often decorate like cozy living rooms.
Yeah, with soft lights, books, plants, and jazz music.
Yes, they try to create a relaxing space so people stay longer.
It works on me every time, ha ha ha.
Me too. Sometimes I plan to stay for 30 minutes and end up staying for 2 hours.
Same here, once I stayed so long the barista started mopping the floor around me, ha ha ha.
Oh no, ha ha ha. Maybe they were politely hinting it's closing time.
Probably, but they were nice. They said, take your time, sir, we're just cleaning up.
That's such a polite way to say, please leave soon, ha ha ha.
Exactly, English people are masters of polite hints.
Yes, we use polite phrases like, we're closing soon, or can I get you anything else, instead of saying, time to go.
I should remember that maybe I'll use it when I want my friends to leave my house, ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha, just say, so would you like one last drink, and they'll understand.
Brilliant tip, Lisa.
Glad you like it, Jake, so what's your favourite coffee drink now after all this talk?
I think caramel latte still wins, but maybe I'll try a cappuccino next.
Good choice. Cappuccino has a nice balance of milk and foam.
And what about you, Lisa? What's your go-to drink?
Flat white, always simple, smooth and strong.
Wow, that sounds classy, like your teaching style, ha ha ha. Thank you, I'll take that as a compliment. It is definitely you make English sound easy even when it's about coffee sizes, ha ha ha.
That's the goal, learning English should be fun and relatable.
True. And I think coffee talk is perfect for beginners, lots of real-life phrases.
Exactly, ordering coffee is something you can practice anywhere in the world.
Yeah, even in countries where people don't speak much, English cafes still use English words.
Very true, you'll often see menus with espresso, latte, or americano everywhere.
That's so cool, English and Italian words together, bringing the world caffeine, ha ha ha.
Global coffee language at its best.
Speaking of global, I once went to a cafe in another city, and they asked, for here or to go?
Oh yes, that's another useful phrase. For here means you'll drink it at the cafe. To go means you'll take it away.
So if I say 1 cappuccino to go, please, it means takeaway.
Exactly, perfect and polite too.
And if I want to stay and enjoy my drink, I say, for here, please.
Yes, easy, right.
Super easy. I love learning like this while chatting.
Me too. Natural conversation is the best teacher.
You know, Lisa, after all this talk, I feel like an expert. Now maybe I can work as a barista next week, ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha. Why not? You already know how to greet customers.
Good morning, what can I get for you today?
Perfect tone, Jake. You sound confident.
Would you like any sugar or milk with that?
Excellent, and don't forget the smile that's the best part of customer service.
True smiles are universal, no translation needed.
Exactly, sometimes one friendly smile makes the whole cafe feel warmer.
Oh, that's a nice thought, coffee and kindness.
Beautiful combo, right?
Absolutely, maybe we should open our own cafe called Everyday Coffee Talk. Ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha, that would be fun English lessons with every cup.
We'd be millionaires by next year, ha 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 ha.
Let's dream big, Jake.
Always. I like that attitude, Lisa.
All right, Coffee Master, before we finish, do you remember the key phrases from today?
Of course. Could I have a cappuccino, please? To go or for here. And, excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi?
Excellent, and also, would you like anything else for polite customer talk?
Yes, and have a nice day at the end.
Colon, perfect. You're sounding more natural every episode.
Thanks to my favorite teacher and unlimited caffeine, ha ha ha.
Colon, ha ha ha, I'll take that.
So, Lisa, before we wrap up, can I ask one last silly question?
Go ahead.
Why do people say, wake up and smell the coffee?
Ah, great idiom. It means open your eyes to reality or pay attention to what's happening.
Oh, like if someone ignores a problem, you say, wake up and smell the coffee.
Hi, exactly. It's a fun way to tell someone to face the truth.
Nice. I'll use that with my lazy friends tomorrow, ha ha ha.
Just say it kindly, Jake. Ha ha ha.
I will, I promise.
Good boy, now I think we both deserve another cup after all this English.
Totally, but maybe decaf this time.
Good idea, we don't want to talk all night, ha ha ha.
True, though, this conversation was energizing already.
That's the power of language and coffee combined.
And good company.
Thank you, Jake, and thanks to everyone listening.
Yeah, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed learning English with us today.
Colon, join us again next time for another fun episode of Everyday English Talk.
Until then, enjoy your coffee and keep practicing.
Colon, bye everyone.
Bye-bye.